When you're ugly but you're an electrician. Me after I put a small piece of wood under a table to stabilize it. Foreman. This stuff is heavy, use the equipment to lift it. 20-year-old me. I am the equipment. New guy. I can handle heat. I love working outdoors. New guy at 10 a.m. Boss man looking at my negative drug test. Wow, so you're just weird? When you lie on your application about being bilingual. English. Do not enter here. Banish. Entero somewhere elso. Guys when they first join the trades. Guys 5 years into the trades. Me. Buys myself new tools for work. My coworkers are tools. When I volunteer my helper for something that I want nothing to do with. No one. My brain during the safety meeting. Obi-Wan Ryobi. When you think you've been working for 4 hours and it's only been 17 minutes. A bad helper is more of a reflection on their training than their ability. Foremen who only know how to yell at people. Science fact. It is impossible for a man to use a tape measure without first seeing how far they can extend it before it collapses under its own weight. Millennials. You can't make 100,000 a year without an 8-year degree. Truck drivers, construction workers, equipment operators, electricians, welders, any kind of skilled trades work. I'm going to ask you a question and I want you to be honest. What is a pallet? Construction job. Respectable income. Knee and back pain by 30. This guy's project will not go well, guaranteed. Start a new project every day and never finish any of them. Be a man. When you're doing some sketchy stuff and have your helper on lookout. Your apprentice's idea. Your apprentice's idea reframed as your idea. When you get a 3% raise but inflation is 7%. My favorite type of people are the old guys at Home Depot and Lowe's who, when you ask them where something is, they ask, "What project are you working on?" and then proceed to show you a cheaper and easier solution. They are true heroes. General foreman, who keeps drawing bleeps in the porta potty. The crew. When you finally get a helper that doesn't complain, shows up on time and actually wants to learn. Did we just become best friends? Yup. 20 years in the trade, you've had 2 wives, destroyed your back and knees, and realize you've just hit the halfway point to retirement. I don't mean to flash my wealth, but I just paid cash for these bad boys. Only the chosen one can remove the level from the stone. When I get sawdust in my eye but just keep cutting. Me showing up to the family reunion to remind them I skipped college and still have a great career. Me showing the new person at work how to do things I don't even know how to do myself. Dad, maybe lumber prices won't be too high. Lumber prices. People are shocked when they find out I'm not a very good electrician. This is how the older guys at work watch the new guy struggle. When that root you just grabbed with the machine starts gushing water. Electricians be like, "We're all done here, have a good one." Not sure if I am buying tools for work or working to buy tools. The eruption of Krakatoa created the loudest sound ever reported at 180 decibels. Construction workers at 6 a.m. Pathetic. Somewhere an OSHA manual just exploded. Tradeswomen on Instagram. Tradeswomen on the job site. Internet. Trade school is way better than college. Tradesmen applying for their third divorce after working 16 hours a day. Me. Buys $3,000 worth of tools. Also me. $25, that's too expensive. Yeah, we're gonna be short-staffed forever. So if you could just work yourself to bleep, that'd be great. Prevent workplace injury. Make the new guy do it. First rule of Sunday night drinking. Don't miss work on Monday. I really think it's time to take warning labels off everything and let stupidity work itself out. When it hits you that you're 20 years into your summer construction job. Doctor, you need 8 hours of sleep to fully function. Me with 2.5 hours of sleep. We ride at dawn bleeps.